Unlocking the Past, the Art of Landmark Restoration. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and enriching topic: landmark restoration. This process is not just about fixing old buildings. It's a gateway to preserving our history and culture for future generations. Stick around as we explore what landmark restoration involves, its significance, and the challenges it faces. Landmark restoration refers to the careful process of repairing and restoring historic buildings, monuments, and sites to their original or stable, usable state. It involves meticulous research, planning, and execution to ensure that the essence and integrity of the landmark are preserved. The goal is to maintain the structure's historical significance and aesthetic, while possibly adapting it for contemporary use. Restoring landmarks holds immense significance. Firstly, it preserves history. These structures are tangible links to our past, telling stories of different eras, cultures, and peoples. Secondly, it supports community identity and pride. Landmarks often become symbols of local heritage and are central to community events and traditions. Lastly, landmark restoration can also contribute to economic development, attracting tourists, and sometimes providing spaces for businesses and cultural activities. The path to restoring a landmark is fraught with challenges. Identifying and sourcing authentic materials and craftsmanship is a primary concern, as it's crucial to match the original as closely as possible. Navigating legal and regulatory frameworks can also be complex, as landmarks often have protected status requiring specific restoration standards. Additionally, balancing modern needs with historical integrity poses a significant challenge, especially when adapting historic buildings for new uses. To bring our discussion to life, let's look at some inspiring case studies. Examples include the restoration of the Colosseum in Rome, where efforts focused on cleaning and reinforcing the structure while preserving its iconic features, and the renovation of the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam, which modernized facilities without compromising its historic character. These cases show the positive impact of thoughtful and careful restoration work. Landmark restoration is a crucial endeavor that connects us to our history, enriches our present, and leaves a legacy for future generations. It's a challenging but immensely rewarding process that requires passion, dedication, and expertise. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of preserving our cultural heritage and inspired you to explore and support landmark restoration efforts. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.